Okay, ang gagawin natin ngayon is how to get the greatest common factor of 2 numbers and 3 numbers using continuous division. Let us start first with the greatest common factor or GCF of 2 numbers using continuous division. For example, we have 24 and 72. Okay, so before we start, we need to list down at least 4 prime numbers. Okay, so let's say we have 2, 3, 5, and 7. Okay, so bakit ako meron ngayong prime numbers dito? Kasi itong mga prime numbers na nandito, yan yung gagamitin natin as our divisor for our 24 and 72. So, okay. So, let us start. 24 and 72. So, titingnan natin kung alin ba kung sila ba ay divisible dyan. 24 and 72 is divisible by 2. Okay. So, dapat pareho. So, they are both divisible by 2. So, lagay natin dyan ay 2. 24 divided by 2 is 12. 72 divided by 2 is 36. Okay, next is, check ulit natin. Si 12 ba is divisible by 2? Yes. Is 36 divisible by 2? It's still yes. So, therefore, lagay ulit natin si 2 as our divisor. And then, let's divide. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 36 divided by 2 is 18. There you go. Okay. Now, so, hindi pa tayo mag-stop kasi hindi pa sila mga prime numbers. So, tingnan ulit natin. 6 is 6 divided by 2. Yes. Is 18 divisible by 2? Yes, ulit. So, lagay natin si 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 18 divided by 2 is 9. Okay, so, let us continue. Is 3 divisible by 2? Okay, so hindi. So, kung hindi sila divisible, so, let's remove with 2. Let's proceed with 3. Is 3 divisible by 3? Yes. How about 9? Is it divisible by 3? Yes. So, we will use 3 as our divisor here. 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay. Next. As you can see, 1 and 3 are already prime numbers. So, therefore, stop na tayo dito. Itong mga divisor na to, ang kukunin natin ngayon as our GCF. So, paano natin sila kukunin? So, we will multiply them all. So, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So, imumultiply natin silang lahat. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 3 ulit times 3 is 24. Tama ba? Again, 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 3 is 24. Therefore, our GCF is 24. Okay? Next, let us now get the greatest common factor of 3 numbers using continuous division. So, let's say we have 18, 27, and 45. How do we get the greatest common factor of these 3 numbers? Using continuous division. Again, let us list at least 4 prime numbers. So we have 2, 3, 5, and 7. So again, we will use this as our divisor. So dapat lahat ay divisible. Okay, so let us check. Is 18 divisible by 2? Yes. Is 27 divisible by 2? No. So since nag-no tayo sa 27, therefore we will not use 2 as our divisor here. So move tayo sa isang prime number natin, which is 3. So proceed ulit tayo dito. Is 18 divisible by 3? Yes. Is 27 divisible by 3? Yes. Is 45 divisible by 3? Yes. So, if yes tayo dito sa tatlong numbers, so we will use 3 as our divisor. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 45 divided by 3 is 15. Okay. Next. So, pwede pa natin kuhanin yung pwede pa natin silang i-divide. Okay. Let us continue. Is 6 divisible by 2? Yes. Is 9 divisible by 2? No. So, since nag-no ulit sa 2, proceed tayo sa next prime number, which is 3. Is 6 divisible by 3? Yes. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes. Is 15 divisible by 3? Yes. So, since nag-yes din, let us use 3 as our divisor. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay. So, let us check these numbers. We have 2, 3, and 5. As you can see, these 3 numbers are all prime numbers, just like this. So, therefore, mag-stop na tayo. Since wala na silang they are not divisible, mag-stop na tayo dito. Okay. So, since nag-stop na, let us use these 3 divisors to get our GCF. So, we have 3 times 3. So, 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Therefore, our GCF is equal to 9. The GCF of 18, 27, and 45 is 9. That's all. Thank you for watching.